Hi everyone, welcome to my video overview of the FiFine Ampli 1 recording audio mixer / USB audio interface. It is a very inexpensive audio device with many possibilities. It is also an USB audio class compliant or plug and play, therefore could be used without installation of specific drivers. So let's start with unboxing. FiFine Ampli 1 digital audio mixer / audio interface comes in simple paper packaging with some info printed here and there, just as in many other cases. Inside the box we've got paper printed user guide, USB-C to USB-C connection cable with USB-A adapter attached on one side, which is covered with plastic cap, and the FiFine AmpliTank series Ampli 1 recording mixer itself. Ampli 1 is an inexpensive device, but it comes nicely packaged with necessary connection cable, which makes a good first impression. Speaking of build quality, it's made completely out of plastic. It is very light and compact, but it feels good in the hands. Now we're going to take a closer look at the FiFine Ampli 1 digital audio mixer and connection cable. But first, let's take a look at the user guide. As you can see, it has quite extensive explanation about features and examples of connections. It is very easy to understand, everything is explained quite nicely, in very simple manner. It also includes extended specifications list. So please, do not hesitate to read user guide before first use. Next we have here an USB-C to USB-C cable with USB-A adapter attached on the one side. The cable itself is quite long and seems to be well made. It is of reasonable quality. And finally, here is Ampli 1 digital mixer itself. On the front of the device we have XLR TRS combo connector, 48 volt phantom power on-off knob. Next we have here mode switch knob, instrument TRS mono connector, headphones out, headphones volume knob, direct monitoring switch and little power LED indicator. On the back of the device we have two TRS outputs for left and right channel, USB-C connector and security lock. On the bottom it has quite large rubber pads which could help keep it secure in place during use. On top it has three large volume knobs, which also have an LED input volume indicators built in. I have to say that this mixer has an excellent capabilities for inexpensive USB audio class compliant interface. Due to its plug-and-play nature, it could work basically with everything, I mean computers, tablets, phones, game consoles, etc. As you can see right here, it is possible to connect two active monitors over the TRS connectors on the back of the device, one condenser mono microphone over XLR TRS combo input, one mono instrument or second dynamic mono microphone over TRS input, and the headphones over headphones output. As you can see right here, it has extended connectivity options. It is very easy to connect. I did not experience any issues with the quality of the connectors. It is all seems to be made very well. FiFine Ampli 1 recording mixer could be used in two modes. The first mode would be the microphone mode and the second is an instrument mode. The difference is in input channel configuration. In the microphone mode, input signal from the XLR TRS combo input will be panned to both channels. The device will output microphone mono signal to the left and to the right channels. In instrument mode, XLR TRS combo input will be in the left channel and TRS instrument input will be in the right channel, therefore utilizing stereo output as double mono. In case if it's used as an audio interface to play the audio, it works just as stereo out. It is very interesting approach to the design of the audio interface. This particular design introduces the possibility of recording good quality audio on any simple computing device. There is no drivers needed, and this system does not use much power due to simple design and limitations to CD quality audio only. As I already have mentioned, FiFine Ampli 1 digital audio mixer has 3 gain knobs on top, which is illuminated with LED indicators. These indicators can show the volume level of the incoming signal. It stays green if incoming signal has good volume to it, and if the volume is exceeded the reasonable levels, these indicators turn red. Now I would like to present you a sample I recorded with Ampli 1 and FiFine K688 dynamic microphone connected over XLR connector. This sample has been recorded on iPad Air running Apogee Meta Recorder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the test of the FiFine Ampli 1 USB-C audio interface. As you could hear, FiFine Ampli 1 USB audio mixer / audio interface is capable of capturing good quality audio. A recorded track has good dynamic and low noise. I would absolutely recommend this device to those who makes first steps in audio recording, as well as for those who already has experience but does not want to spend a fortune on the audio equipment. It is easy to connect, and it also works good with Windows PC as well as with Apple iPad. I have to say that even if it has some limitations, it is very cost effective. That works absolutely fine. And that would be all for now. As usual, thank you for watching it. Thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe, and I see you all next time.